Hey, Stock Bros. Today I'm exploring ticker symbol GEVO. Okay, so today we're exploring GEVO Inc. It's a renewable energy company. So let's just zoom in and dive into the company, find out what it's about, and possibly a great investment for all the stock bros out there. So tagline: GEVO makes sustainable low carbon biofuel and chemicals. They offer a ton of products that range with renewable gasoline, renewable diesel, ethanol, animal feed, and protein. It seems like they have a wide range of products, and um, GEVO uses low carbon, renewable, resource based carbohydrates as raw materials and is developing renewable electricity, renewable natural gas for use in production processes, resulting in low carbon fuels with substantially reduced carbon intensity. So, there's a couple of reasons that I've invested in the stock. And after reading that mouthful right there, the GEVO is a leader in the space in renewable energy. Um, and as I dive into, let's meet the management team is another reason here. So um, let's just go over this team real quick. Dr. Patrick Gruber, the CEO and director of the company since 2007. In 2008 was awarded the first ever George Washington Carver Award, recognizing significant contributions by individuals in the field of industrial biotechnology and its application in bioengineering, environmental science, and biorefining. So you have a leader in the industry leading this company, as well as another star cast of his team. I want to go over all the names, but I'll share the link in the description. So the leadership is strong here. It's even stronger because of this fact that has come to light here. So GEVO, big update actually today at, this is January 25th, 2021. Update: President Joe Biden has been moving swiftly to make good on his climate goals. GEVO Inc. has been quick to cash in on the rapid ascent. So it says here in the article that GEVO's co-founder, Francis Arnold, is named to President Biden's official science team. So GEVO even has a foot in the door of the president's office, and that's another reason for me to jump on to the stock because the president is strong in his policies of renewable energy. He's hired Francis Arnold, the co-founder of GEVO, to his science team. So this catalyst is huge for anyone that's looking into whether GEVO has a chance in the space. I think they have a strong lead in the space in renewable energies. Now, a lot of talk about EV, electrical vehicles, but there is other energies people are looking for alternatives in agriculture, for example. So GEVO is a strong stock in that space. So let's check this out here. It's another article from today after the closing bell, 4:01 p.m. Rallying again today as renewable energy said it closed a 350 million stock offering, and an analyst lifted his price target on the stock. What did he lift it to exactly? I think it was here. Lifted his rating to $16 from $8.25. Now, I think the stock closed around 12 today, but 16 is great if it gets up to there. And it's in part because of the massive equity offering, which he said will give the company about 534 million, so $500 million in pro forma cash. He also believes the funding will make up the majority of the equity necessary for the company's first two net zero plants. Frat maintained his outperform rating on the stock. So that's the person who raised their rating. Poe Frat from Notable Capital Markets. Let's see here. GEVO's stock has skyrocketed since their December announcement of this South Dakota plant. And its unique technology separates it from most alternative fuel stocks, which I've just mentioned. So, with that said, though, GEVO's market cap exceeded 2 billion today, but the company has only brought in 5 million in revenue in the first 3 quarters. It seems alarming, but the growth in the renewable energy sector, like for example, the other tech companies that their valuations have been crazy in 2020. It's just the potential of what this company could do for the world, starting in the States, is massive. So there's a couple of catalysts to look forward to in this company. So strong team, foot in the door with the president. Here's more. Sustainable biofuels, the expansion plan. Here's some other, sides of the coin here. See, it raises questions of how the company anticipates increasing its bioenergy crop supply chain without bumping into substantial sustainability issues related to agriculture. This article was on January 11th, 2021. So the author goes on to say, the key part of the answer is in regenerative agriculture, which refers to the practice to build up and improve soil health and reduce dependence on chemicals, while also enhancing crop yields. Because of its focus on building soil, regenerative agriculture can also function as an effective carbon capture and sequestration tool. Okay. GEVO actively encourages regenerative farming amongst its suppliers, and its efforts in that area could ripple out and accelerate the adoption of regenerative practices throughout the agriculture industry. Another sustainable twist: last year, GEVO installed wind turbines at biofuel plants in Minnesota as part of its broader decarbonate. So this company is doing multi-effort renewable energy projects throughout the states, and it's increasing its partnerships, as well as having the president's, they have their co-founder with the president on the science team. So I'm looking forward to what else this company has. But I'd add this stock to your watch list. I've started a position in the $9 range. So I'm looking forward to that $16 price target. GEVO's products perform as well or better than traditional fossil-based fuels and infrastructure engines, but with substantially reduced greenhouse gas emissions. And really, that's the goal of the administration right now, at least for 2021 and beyond. So I'm looking forward to see what GEVO has. And that's it for me, Stock Bros. If you like the information I provided you today, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and let's get them gains. All right. Peace out, Stock Bros.